In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kling AI to make shorts video. We'll start right inside your browser. Go to kling.ai/app. That's the home of Kling AI's video generator. Once the page loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the Generate workspace. This is where you'll set up everything for your short, from the prompt to the format. Next, write your prompt. For this tutorial, type, "A confident young man walking through a futuristic city at night, neon lights reflecting on wet streets, cinematic lighting, realistic details, slow camera tracking shot, vertical video." This example is descriptive on purpose. Strong prompts include the subject, the setting, lighting, mood, camera movement, and the intended orientation. If you're making a different concept later, follow that same structure so the model understands exactly what to create. At the top of the Generate view, choose a quality setting. Higher quality usually gives crisper textures and better lighting, but it can take longer to render and may use more credits depending on your plan. If you're testing ideas, start with a balanced option. When you're ready for the final result, bump the quality up. Now choose the length. Shorts perform best when they're concise, so pick a duration that delivers a clear moment, just enough for the action to land without dragging. Shorter clips also render faster, which is great while you're iterating. Set the video ratio to 9:16. This vertical format is the standard for platforms like YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Selecting it here ensures framing is composed correctly from the start rather than cropping later and losing details on the edges. Decide how many outputs you want. Generating multiple versions at once saves time by exploring variations in motion, framing, and lighting. It's a fast way to compare options side by side and pick the one that best matches your brand or story. When everything looks good, click Generate. Kling AI will process your request and display the results when they're ready. Play them back, check the motion, make sure the subject reads well on a phone screen, and confirm the pacing fits your target duration. If something feels off, adjust the prompt, tweak quality or length, and generate again until you're happy. That's the complete flow for creating a shorts-ready video with Kling AI. Follow these steps, refine your prompt, and you'll build scroll-stopping vertical clips in minutes.